Hey everybody. It's about three o'clock in the morning, and I'm at the Walmart. Um, and I know I'm not wearing none of my Survival on a Budget Made Easy merch right now. It's cause I think I'm getting a little more noticed at Walmart. Hey everybody. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna go in here and do a video of the sporting goods section because apparently Walmart's doing a lot of changes in their sporting goods section when it comes to their rifles and ammo. I heard that they're stopped selling handguns and at Walmart's, which I never seen personally where I live or anywhere to be honest. But I hit three different Walmarts. The one didn't have no rifles or ammo at all. I don't even think I seen a BB gun. This one has it's weird because it's like they don't have 22 ammo, but they're still selling the rifles. So I just want to make people aware of what's going on at Walmart. I mean, it might be different in your area, but yeah, like I said, I'm starting to get noticed at Walmart, I think, so I'm trying to keep it on the down low a little bit. That's why it's 3 o'clock in the morning. So let's go ahead, head on in here. Okay, I'm in the sporting goods section right now. They still do have BB guns, pellet guns, whatever you want to call them. Slingshots, the BBs and pellets. There used to be more ammo over there. There used to be shotgun ammo. But they still got 12 gauge, 12 gauge, 12 gauge. Okay. 16, 410. Go over here, 12 gauge. Come down here, you got your regular like rifle ammo, 308, 223, 30-06. Okay. They're still selling rifles. And shotguns. But I'm not seeing, they got 9mm Luger pistol ammo. 17, 45. Now, the only thing I can't find is the 22 ammo, which doesn't make sense to me because they're still selling pistol ammo, but they're not selling the 22 ammo. Okay, they got buckets of it. I don't see the price on it though. Okay, I just found the rest of the shotgun ammo. They moved it on me. Okay, that kind of throws me for a loop. Because where I'm standing now in front of me was shotgun ammo when I was in here before. That low recoil. And only have buckets of 22 ammo, that's weird too. Especially since you sell the 22 rifles. Okay, like I said, this ain't going to be one of those political videos. I ain't blaming the Democrats or the Republicans or liberals or conservative or Walmart itself. It's their store, they can do what they want. But it's just kind of strange to me. But what I'm thinking is, with like Walmart not selling 22 ammo, it's probably going to go up in price at your local gun dealers. And I know some pawn shops sell them, you know, with the 22 pistols and stuff. So I think I might stock up on some 22 ammo. I just got a 22 and /22 Magnum revolver, so I think I want to stock up on my 22 mag ammo too. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button up here in one of these corners. And as always, thank you for watching.